Georgian Georgian folk choreography has a history of many centuries. It's a combination of sacred dance elements with customs and game rituals led to creation of such dances as ქართული, განდაგანა, ხორუმი, ფერხულ ორსატულა, სამაია, ხანჯლური, მთიულური, დავლური, ბადღადური, and others. Baghdaduri and others. These dances were kind of discovering Georgian choreography. Over time, many dance trophies were created and that popularized Georgian choreography not only in our country but also beyond its borders. The Georgian folk dance ensemble artistic directors Nino Ramishvili and Iliko Sukhishvili. The state song and dance ensemble director G. Bakradze, choreographer B. Darakhvelidze. The state song and dance ensemble Rustavi, artistic director R. Chokhonelidze, and the state academic ensemble Erisioni became very famous. Each dance is a story about love, heroism, friendship, and loyalty, told through delicate movement from and custom. Every corner of Georgia has its own dance characteristics with various techniques and music, which is performed on various instruments, drums, accordions, bagpipes. Georgian is the oldest of the romantic couple dances that have survived to our time. This dance can be considered the pinnacle of Georgian folk choreography. Tiuluri is a group of Georgian folk dances that are built on the same technological material. Various kicks, lunges, squats, turns, jumping movements. Tiuluri dance, like Khevsuruli, originates in the mountains and its content is also based on amorous rivalry. However, the difference is that in Tiuluri, the competition takes place between two groups of dancers. This is a real celebration of martial arts and skill. Baghdaduri is a Georgian urban dance. Baghdaduri is based on the ancient Georgian peasant dance, bugni, with jumping movements and elements of pantomime. Simdi and Konga. These two dances are Ossetian. The main beauty of this dance is based on the rhythmic, unified rotation of the rows of dancers and the alternation contrast of their black and white clothes. Dance Khevsuruli. This dance, born in the mountains, combines elements of love, masculinity, and respect for women. Dance Samaya. Samaya is built on the principle of three and is performed in a theatrical form by groups of women. Thank, thank you for your attention.